This is my tractor after its new rebuild. It's probably the 6th rebuild. The first rebuild we had an 8-horse Tecumseh on it. Then I put the motorcycle engine on it.
What is it, Yamaha?
Yep, Yamaha, okay. 534 cylinder. And I first just bolted it to the sheet metal, and you could take the engine and it would just flex and stuff. And so I put that new rear end. I got an 1.5-inch axle on it, with full ball bearings. Yeah, it's beefy. The axle's as big as what's in the Chevy.
And you built all the metal that you see here. You welded it.
I fabricated all of it. And I put the new front end on it. This is my favorite rear end, or front end so far. It's rated to about 2,000 pounds. Each spindle is rated to 1,000 pounds. And I've got 4140 chromoly kingpins.
Oh yeah.
And 5/8 steering links. All of them. I've got steering. My steering gears are out of a hand boat winch. And I have a full tube frame under it. And grade 8 bolts and everything everywhere I could put them.
Any idea how much money you've got into this thing?
$1,500 or more.
And what did it start out as?
A regular lawnmower.
A regular lawnmower? Like what type?
Like a one that you mow lawns with.
Like a Cub Cadet or a John Deere or don't?
A Pencraft.
A Pencraft.
1970s, I think.
Okay. Well, it's pretty nice. Tim, how fast do you think it goes?
90 to 100.
90 to 100. How do you know?
Because I can hit like 65 in third.
Ah, and how many gears does it?
Gears.
Okay. That's. Anything neat under here? That was your steering gear, wasn't it? You gotta know I know nothing, but it looks kind of cool. Yeah. I see the chain. All right.
12-inch brake rotor in the back.
So will it flip?
Like roll over?
Yeah.
I doubt it.
No.
Oh, this is Dad, who's taught him.
The center of gravity of this machine is so low.
I made it super low.
So way.
So that I could burn out and do donuts and all kinds of cool stuff.
So how far will it go in that gas tank?
Not far.
All right.
Y'all know that.
Good job. It is May 3rd, 2009, Sunday. Beautiful day. And here we go. Oh.
Starts good too.
Very good. Yes, I jerked the camera.
We should point out here there's emergency.
Oh yeah, it's got the emergency and always
Yeah.
wears a helmet and all the safety stuff. So good job.
A kill switch.
Well, from Mom to Tim, it's a cool machine, Tim. I enjoyed driving it. Thank you.
Yeah. Strong.
Harley, come here. Come. Sit. Sit. Awesome. If you want to trade, I am going to have to stand up and get them. What happened?
I put my foot through the throttle.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Come on, Tim, let's go for it. Go, go, go!
That's crazy too.
Way to go, buddy.
That was good.
Way to go.
Right at the last.